Hey, welcome back to Lupo Outdoors. Today is TAC Pack Tuesday, and this has actually been a really interesting box. Stick around and remember to stay to the very end because we will be raffling off some of the products that are in this box. So stay tuned. So let's start with the very first item that actually got me kind of excited. I was really looking forward to this. This is our AR-15 upper receiver block from Birchwood. So what I'm going to do is, if I can find a reasonable price for these, they're going to be on the screen as I show each item. Now, do me a favor. Watch to the end. If there's an item in this box that you find that you would like to have, I want you to comment down below that you're interested in one of these specific items. Tell me which item it is. And then on Facebook, go to Lupo Outdoors and message me your contact info where I could send this item. And when the next TAC pack shows up, I will go through all of these and somebody be randomly selected and that item will go to you. All you have to do is make sure that you put a thumbs up on this video. Make sure that you're subscribed. You have to be subscribed, and that you message me on Facebook and let me know what you want and put the comment down below. And you could win one of these items when the next TAC Pack Plus shows up. So the Birchwood Vice Block, we're going to be doing some customizations on my AR-15s. So we may end up using this. At the end of the video, I'll tell you what my favorite item is, and then I would love you to comment down below which item that you thought was the coolest item in this box. So we have that. The next item is this tiger camouflage hat. This is actually kind of cool. It's got shotgun shell braces here at the top. It's lined on the inside. It's not a bad looking hat. What I kind of dig about it is you can snap it up on the sides if you wish, or don't. It's up to you. But it's well vented. Not a bad looking hat. If this doesn't end up going to one of you guys, I may end up wearing this in a video in the near future. Next item. All right. So, Walker. This is 50 foam earplugs. And what's great about this is that when you have friends visiting from out of town or someone's at the range and they forgot their ears, I try to keep some of these in my pack at all time. So when I'm on my, out there at the range and someone like needs something hearing protection wise, I can just reach in my range bag and get these. It also has a nice little travel bag that's Ziploc. So that's actually kind of cool. Not a bad item. Like I said, if I can find them like on Amazon, I'll put a link and how much they actually cost. Let's look at our next item here. This is an MFT butt stocks. This is the minimalist lightweight butt stocks for your AR platform. Now, let's open it up briefly and take a look at it. So there you go. That's not too bad. Actually, I'm surprised because normally the back pieces here are like hard plastic, and this is a nice rubber on the back. That's not a bad buttstock at all for a minimalist. Remember, if you like it, you could win it. And we'll put it back in the bag. And like I said, we'll put the retail price of this right here. So, you gotta find the sticker. Oh, wait. Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles with an AR. That's kind of cool. Blue Tactical Turtle is the name of this sticker. If you like it, let me know. So here is something kind of cool. This is a Sealed Pup fixed blade knife, and it has a sheath on the inside there. This is actually one of the plus items, and it's not a bad looking knife when it comes out to it here. This is one of SOG's highest rated blades. It's made from AUS 8 steel, which maximizes the value for the stout unit. The blade contains a section of serrations on the back that make it a great choice for multitude of uses, and from the range to environments, from the car to the woods, wherever. So this knife is one of the plus packs. This particular TAC pack came with 2 plus packs. And this was the other one. That first knife was valued at about $60, and this switch plier is valued at about $80. Now, if you want one of these, like I said, make sure you like the video, make sure you are subscribed, put a comment down below, and then go to Facebook. Find Lupo Outdoors on Facebook, message us your contact info and which item. And at the by the time we get our next TAC pack, we're going to randomly select somebody and we'll mail you that item. So this one's kind of cool. I always like multi-tools. This one's kind of neat because it flips out. You got pliers, knives, all your little tools here. Right here on the back. Pliers, a ruler, a knife, files, Phillips screwdrivers, and etc. So this also could be yours. So that was TAC Pack for this month of June. Let me know what your favorite item was. Now for me, my favorite item in this TAC pack is the upper this upper receiver block. That was probably my favorite item in this whole TAC pack. The knives were a quick second, but let me know what you think and what you liked, and we will see you next month on TAC Pack Tuesday.